I'm here in Nicaragua at a Laguna de Pollo, and this is the public swimming area at the lagoon. There's lots of locals here that are hanging out, having a good time swimming. I actually just went for a swim myself, and I asked the locals to watch my bag for me while I was swimming, so that was nice that they were happy to do that. But anyway, it seems that everyone here is pretty friendly, pretty good vibes. So I wasn't too worried anyway about thieves, but I guess you can never be too safe. This lagoon is actually an old volcano. I had a chat to this old guy out there who was swimming with me before. He told me that it was a volcano, active volcano a long time ago. Now it's just a freshwater lagoon and a very popular swimming spot, as you can see. There is a viewpoint on the other side. I think somewhere up over here we have a mirador. I was going to go over there and try and check it out. I was able to get here from Granada. We're pretty close to Granada, well, between Granada and Messiah this lagoon is, and you just have to catch a bus. You can catch the public bus, which is only 20 of the local money to catch the public bus to this area. And it's a bit of an experience too, because you're on a bus with a whole bunch of locals. They were all very friendly. The people in Nicaragua are very friendly so far. So I'm very happy. All right, I'm going to go and check out this mirador, see if I can find it. Also, hitchhiking works well, I found. Found a ride with a Argentinian traveller, one of those gypsy travellers who sells their bracelets. She's been doing this for 7 years. Had a good experience in Nicaragua as well, and all around South America. All right, I'll go find this mirador.